This just in from Automotive Insider. Just announced. In response to the tariff assessments, Ford Motor Company has just announced employee pricing. From America, for America. Their promise, you pay what we pay. This could not be any better news for Sunset Ford of Sumner. Why? Because there's basically no negotiation. The prices are set by Ford Motor Company. But only Sunset Ford of Sumner includes warranty protection for life and oil changes for life with every single qualifying vehicle. Want more? You won't make your first payment for 90 days. Plus, Sunset will always pay you more for your trade, especially now when used vehicle imports from Canada will be all but non-existent. According to NADA and Kelley Blue Book, this has likely increased the value of your trade, just like COVID. Remember that? An unprecedented opportunity. Employee pricing. You pay exactly the same price at all dealerships, to the penny. But it's not what you pay, it's what you get. And you just get more at Sunset Ford of Sumner. The experts agree, you just get more at Sunset. And people do like that.